It is Election Day 2016. It is November in Boise, and the temperature is in the 60s, close to 70 degrees in some areas. Shorts and t-shirts on tap for this Election Day. I'm meteorologist Vin Crosby. Not only is this a historic day because of the election, it is also the first broadcast of the Weather Show with Vin Crosby on our YouTube channel. And so we're proud to do these broadcasts to give you some weather forecasts because it's what I do. And what a day to be up here in the foothills on 8th Street. It is gorgeous. Just a few high wispy clouds coming on through, and that trend will continue. Now, this is going to be interesting. No, it went away. There was a big bee floating around the camera. That would have been fun on the first Weather Show with Vin Crosby to see that bee across the lens. Maybe the little bug that's there now. But let's get to the weather because it is going to be gorgeous over the next couple of days. Temperatures are going to be in the 60s. However, don't be deceived because I believe it is going to be a very cold, wintry weather here in the Treasure Valley. As a matter of fact, in 10 days, the foothills behind me could be covered with snow. So we're going to do things different here. We're going to go around the Treasure Valley from restaurants, from parks, wherever we can possibly be. That's where I'm going to be with the Weather Show with Vin Crosby. You can also email me at theweathershow, the number 1, at gmail.com. We'll be showing that information and sharing that with you in the weeks to come. Not sure if we'll do this every day, but when we do post, we're going to have some fun. And so today, we're going to start showing you why I think the weather is going to turn from this mild pattern all the way to a wintry pattern in a span of about 10 days. So let me just pan a little bit to this way here. You can see those high wispy clouds coming on through up to the north of the city of Boise. That's looking south to the city of Boise, so they're moving to the north, coming right at us, if we could actually put that streaming video intact. But you can see those clouds, those are high cirrus clouds, and so that's where they're coming from the south. And that's why we're seeing some very mild air settle into much of the region. However, that is in a leading edge of a giant storm system that's going to start moving on into the Pacific and bring first wind, rain, and major thunderstorms, and then cold air and winter-like conditions where I think the foothills will definitely see some snow. So on the Weather Show, we're going to do things different, as I mentioned. We're going to do what I call whiteboard weather. What is it? Stay tuned. Whiteboard weather coming up on the Weather Show with Vin Crosby.